Introducing Active Skin Repair, an all-natural, non-toxic medical-grade spray that harnesses the power of the body's immune system. Active Skin Repair works on hundreds of skin issues, such as minor injuries from cuts and burns to everyday issues like rashes, sunburns, and even bug bites. It's so powerful it's used in hospitals yet safe enough to use on all areas of the body. And best of all, since Active Skin Repair can be used to help multiple types of skin issues, you can replace the need for other products, saving you time, space, and money. The active ingredient is the same molecule organically produced by the human body to promote healing, so when you use Active Skin Repair, you recreate the body's natural healing mechanism for your skin. Active Skin Repair has won multiple awards, is accepted by the National Eczema Association, and recommended by doctors, pediatricians, and dermatologists around the world. With more than 500,000 bottles sold and over 2,000 five-star reviews, it's the clinically proven way to help your body quickly and naturally heal itself. So whether you're hiking, biking, or hitting up the playground, simply grab your Active Skin Repair spray and go.